Morning guys, closing my day. It's 10:56. I wanted to create this video early in the morning. Really don't know what time of the day I'm gonna be posting this thing later, maybe in the afternoon. But I wanted to bring you a quick video here of a trade that I took on IPWR. I closed my day on a pretty early note today, making $1,349 today, obviously minus the fees. I took a trade on IPWR for $1,209, and I took another trade on LYFT stock for $140 gain. Just a reminder, guys, if you want to connect, let's do that. Traderscolony.com is a free website, free community. You can share your own ideas there. And once again, the live stream videos, I am the live trading in the morning that I'm doing through YouTube. I'm taking the video down. All of the videos, even if I'm live streaming at night, I'm taking everything down, and you're gonna have those links and those videos just on traderscolony.com. So you can go watch the videos there, but you're not gonna find them on YouTube, but just on the website. If you're interested on those live market trades and the commentaries, you can find the videos embedded in the video section of traderscolony.com. Today I took a stab at this thing. Started to gap up in the morning. As you can see here, it started to ramp up. There's a lot of things going on in the last few days. The market has been on fire. Yesterday I closed my day with $4,898 gain, and a couple of stocks that I traded today, closing my day $1,349. In the last 30 minutes, 45 minutes, the volume has dried out. I can see that ENDP is actually moving up as of right now, $4.20 after some news that came out a few minutes ago. I took a stab at this one with an average price of $4.20 around here, right? Started to go up. I was up by a little bit, but I decided to let it go and run a little bit more, because although I don't usually trade in the pre-market hours, today it seemed like it was a good opportunity because the momentum in the market has been pretty amazing in the last few days, and I figured it will be a good idea just to let it run, but being cautious, and I wanted to make sure that I was going to take my profits. I put a stop limit order to sell my entire position. That was an average of 420 on my entry, and I put a stop limit order to sell at $4.40 as a trigger price, with a limit price of $4.45, because I wanted to make sure that I was not going to put exactly at the $0.50 mark resistance stop limit price. I wanted to make it filled. Even if it didn't get to the 450, I wanted to get the profits out, because I usually don't trade in the pre-market hours, but momentum have seen seem to be revived in the last few days. So I wanted to be able to get my profits, and as you notice here, I pulled back a little bit down here to a low of this candle 386. At that point I was underwater, but almost $500, and I said, well, probably I'm gonna be stepping out of this one with a pretty heavy loss, even in the pre-market hours. But I was willing to let it go, honestly, because we have seen the last few days stocks move from $3 to $20 to, three from 9 to, then to 20. This morning, this was one of the ones that run very, very high. We saw ACHN today as well, that was around the $3 mark, going all the way to 6 in the morning today. Another one, APHA, that started running in the last few days. So there were a lot of stocks that were moving like crazy in the last few days. And I decided, you know what, I'll just gonna let it run. I'm gonna take a chance with this thing, and it actually did work out well. And this one candle on the first opening candle, it hit a 471. I had a trigger price of 440 and a limit of 445, right? So on the first push up towards 450, which is what I thought $0.5 resistance, we're gonna have a little bit of resistance around there, and I didn't want to take a longer, overstay my welcome in the market. So I took that. I took $1,209 gain on that one, and then a $140 trade on LYFT. Before I bring you LYFT, I want to show you NDP here, because it started, it had a news, and as you can see, it's just been ramping up. Here's a nice flat breakout, and see, I don't know how far this thing is gonna go, but just news just came out in the last 20 some minutes, maybe 30 minutes, about NDP, and this thing just started to ramp up. Also LYFT, though, I took a trade going down. You can see this couple of pennant formations right here. I was telling the guys in the live stream, one of the things that I wanted to see, it was a breakdown, and this thing pushed up. I wanted to get here under this candle, $30 and $40.32. Pardon me. This thing ramp up. I put a stop limit order to sell on the way down, and I put an order for $40.27 trigger with a $40.24 as a limit entry. On the way down here, if you notice, this one has a long wick and even lower price point on this one, but on the flush here, I took that trade down for, I covered that position for a $140 gain. The reason why that gain was a little smaller was because obviously I was holding a little bit of less share size compared with the other one. It's a $40 stock, so that's the thing. And overall today, excellent day. Yesterday, very nice day. I didn't trade on Monday. Last week was a pretty good week as well. And the market has been on fire the last couple of days. Anyway, I just wanted to bring you this small video here and show you what's going on in the market and the reason why I took those trades and what I saw on them. And once again, if you want to connect, let's do that. Tradescolony.com is a free website. Create your account and let's share ideas. Use a calculator, upload your videos, and even write articles. I'm coming down with a couple of new things for you guys to make the website a little more interactive, so that way you can share your ideas with a lot of other traders as well. Thank you so much for listening. Enjoy the rest of your day and happy trading, guys. Thank you.